Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to automate another test case under register account functionality. The test case number is 26. So let's first go through this test case, understand it, later automate it. Okay. So let's get started. Verify the UI of the register account page. Okay. So you need to verify the user interface or GUI of the register account page. For that, we need to open the application URL in the browser. Click on My Account drop menu. Select the register option. Once you navigate to the register account page, then you have to verify the UI part of the page. So it's not as simple as this simple line looks, guys. Okay, a lot of checks will be there. Okay, a lot of checks will be there to check each and every elements UI, like what is the height, what is the width, what is the color, what is the position, alignment, okay, and many other stuff, placeholders. It may be many things. Okay, if you check the UI part of the page, there are a lot of checklist items like this. You see, this much big, you cannot. Okay, maybe you can automate it. It will take a lot of time, guys. Okay, you see, few things you cannot automate in this, and few things will be very technical, complex. Okay, in automating and all those stuff. Okay, so what we can do instead, okay, instead of using this kind of big checklist for verifying whether the test is passing or failing, I got a simple idea. Okay, how to test, how to verify the UI of the register account page, not in manual way. For manual way, we'll follow this entire checklist, and we can, check each and everything patiently, and this will take a lot of time. In manual case also, it will take a lot of time. Initial days, you will not focus on this UI testing checklist to see whether any UI problems are there in the application pages. Later, once the projects comes to a stable state, then you are not getting any more defects. Then you have to find out some other defects which cannot be identified using the normal day-to-day scenarios or usage of the application. Then we'll go and use this UI checklist so that we can find some kind of defects which can be fixed by developers to improvise the UI of the page. Okay, so like that we'll do, guys. Okay, if you want to automate each and every line, okay, it will take a lot of time. Okay, so I'm not going to take this approach of taking this checklist and checking whether that is correct or not. Rather, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this checklist for manual testing purpose only. In manual only, you see, everything cannot be automated using Selenium Java. Few things, manual testing only is the solution. So this entire UI testing will be done in a manual way. The test case will be tested by the testers. Okay, when they get the time, by using this UI testing checklist, because checklist itself means that there are a lot of items to be checked, okay, as part of UI part. But here, to automate this particular, this particular thing, to automate this particular thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare screenshots, guys. I'm going to take the screenshot and then compare that screenshot with the expected screenshot. And if the both matches, I'll confirm that the UI part of the page is all good. Okay. I don't want to dig into the details. Okay. Before I take a screenshot and compare, right? Okay. Before I confirm that there's a proper screenshot and all. Okay. I will go through that and manually verify. Okay. I will manually verify the UI checklist with this particular thing. And after that, I'll confirm the screenshot. After I confirm the screenshot, okay, as expected screenshot, then I'll use the automation code to take a screenshot and compare that screenshot with the expected screenshot, either pass or fail the test. Okay. So while automating itself, I'm going to do some manual test. Okay, I'll take some time and do some manual test. And after I get a manual results properly, then I'll consider that as a expected screenshot. Then I'll compare. Okay, hope you understood what I'm trying to convey here. Okay, then you see different people follow different strategies. This is a strategy I would like to follow. Okay, if this kind of situation comes to me, I'm going to follow this kind of strategy. So let's go with the test case before we automate anything about this particular test case. Let's go to the test case number 26. Okay. Verify the UI of the register account page. For that, we need to open the application page URL. Open the browser, open the application page URL, guys. After you open the application, you have to click on My Account drop menu, and then we have to click on the register option. Click on My Account drop menu and select the register option. Once you are taken to the register account page, once you are taken to the register account page, proper and good UI should be displayed on the register account page, it's saying. So let's verify each and everything. Okay. Let's verify each and everything. So for example, here this is a register account page. While you are on the register account page, what is getting displayed? Okay. So this currency option is properly displayed or not visible. Okay, for the checklist is there, guys. Okay, whatever you have to do, if there is some text, right, you have to follow this. Okay, check for spelling mistakes. Are there any spelling mistakes in currency? Currency. Okay, you can Google search if you want. Okay, currency. Okay, currency. If you Google search, you see currency, you're directly getting means there is no spelling mistake. Okay, otherwise, spelling mistake checker online. You just use some tool here, free spelling mistake checker. Here, whatever the spelling you type, if it's is it validating or not, we'll see. What is saying? Start by typing or Control V and then I have to check for spellings. Okay, I don't know whether this will work or not, but let's try one thing. That is currency, right? Currency. I'll check. Currency. Okay. Let's see what is happening here. Hmm. For example, if I don't give a proper spelling, what is happening? Let's see. You see, it's giving the suggestion like this, not correct. Okay, so that is fine. So if you want to copy paste from this application, there is a technique that is inspect that option, and here from between the tags, you copy that and just go to that free currency checker, spelling checker, and you just paste it. Nice job means no problem. Okay, grammatical also it's fine, guys. You see, not only spelling, it's also checking the grammatical and all those stuff. Then what else is next we have? Next is that I'll go, this is one you cannot check and my account is there. Inspect this my account and see. I don't see there is spelling mistake here. The my account too. Nice job should come here. Yeah, okay. Then wish list. Inspect this. Okay. Inspect this wish list. Where is the wish list? Inspect this and copy this part. I don't know whether this kind of stuff can be done because zeros and all those things are there. Nice job it's saying, no problem at all then. Shopping cart, inspect the shopping cart. Copy this, paste it here. Done. Then checkout, inspect this checkout, copy this text. You do it manually, guys. Okay, don't do it in an automation way. All this kind of stuff, don't do in automation way. Just manually check this and find once you are good, right? Once you have manually tested, you can take a screenshot. This is what is a perfect one. You can decide. Okay, then you can verify like that. Okay, first you manually verify and then take a resultant screenshot. For example, example here, checkout is there. For example, checkout there is spelling mistake. In that case, what before taking the screenshot, you just modify the text here. For example, checkout page or something should be there. Okay. Now you see you can modify like this and then take the screenshot. Okay. You take the screenshot by modifying the text like this and then take the screenshot. Okay. So whatever it may be, guys. Okay. Depending on your situation, you can do that. So here this part is done. Then yeah, search looks good for me. Some things you don't have to copy paste here, guys. You can directly tell whether they are good or not items, any spelling mistakes, because we have some knowledge, right? Account, register, everything is good. Register, spelling is correct. If you already have an account with us, come up, please log in at the everything looks good for me. No grammatical mistake, no spelling mistakes. If you want to cross check this for grammatical mistakes or something, just see if any grammatical mistakes are coming here. Please log in. Please log in at the login page. Instead of login, they're asking us to use login. Okay, so let's go here and see login also is fine. LOGIN, okay. But it's suggesting us to use log space IN, okay. Please log in at log space in, okay. That's okay. This is also fine, understandable, right? Login. And so we should not be taking too personally. That's okay. Sometimes we should not be depending on tools also. I'm just thinking that that's fine. Okay. Your personal details, everything is good, all good. First name is good. First name, last name, email, email, telephone, password confirm, subscribe, yes, no, newsletter, privacy policy. Have read and agreed to the privacy policy. Continue. Login, register, forgotten password, my account, address book, wish list, order history, downloads. I'm just verifying very randomly. Recurring payments. Yeah, reward points, returns, transactions, newsletter. I have agreed to the I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. Yes, no, continue. Everything looks good about us. Delivery, information, privacy policy, terms and conditions, powered by. Okay, all this contact us, return site, space map, brands, gift certificates, affiliate. Yeah, spelling is correct and everything is good. Order history, wish list, newsletter, my account, extras, customer service information. You see, I from top to bottom of the page, I verified that there are no spelling mistakes in this particular page. Okay, and also there are no grammatical mistakes too. And text is readable or not? Yeah, visually I can read this particular text. I can confirm that. Next, check for the font size, color, and family. If there are some client requirements that this particular size of the text should be in this much size, assume that the proper sizes are there. That 33 px is there. For personal details, what is there? Let's see. As per the client requirements, personal details should have 18 px. Assume that all these things are according to the client requirements. Okay. Alignment of the font size, color. Yeah, coloring of the text. They should be in blue color. They should be in black color. Everything is colored properly. To confirm that, okay, using the client requirements manual way, that's fine. Then family, font family. If you inspect this, what is the font family according to the client requirement? What should be the font family here? If you go here and say there will be something like color will be there and also font family will be there. Inherit is a font family they were using. As per the client requirements also, inherit should be the font family. Check the alignment should be left aligned. Text should be left aligned, guys. Wherever you see that text is not in center or middle or right aligned, rather it is left aligned only. Whatever the text you see is left aligned only. So no problem at all. Okay. Then check text is not overlapping with an element. Manually can clearly see that there is no overlapping of the text of any element on another element here. Everything is not, nothing is overlapped here. Check text is not going outside the page. No text is going outside the page. It's inside the page only. Inside the required page headings and page text are, yes, page heading and page text. This is page text and page headings are distinguished properly. No problem at all. Then what else next? If you go with the text box fields, you have to verify the text box field. Text box or text area. Text box or text area. If you verify that, okay. Correct labels are displayed for the text fields. Yes. Label text are aligned properly. Correct labels are displayed. Alignment is proper. Okay. Read-only text field should not accept any text. All these are not read-only text, so you don't have to worry about the disabled. No disabled fields are there. Enabled fields only. Enabled text field should accept text when you enter the text, whether it is accepting the text or not. Placeholders are proper placeholders are there in the text fields or not. We have verified these are the placeholders. First name, last name, email, telephone, password, all these are the placeholders. Okay, then pre-populated values are there. Any no pre-populated values here. Insert cursor for enable text fields. Red hashtag symbol for mandatory. Not everything you have to check, guys. Everything we have to do manually, and should not accept blank space. Size of the characters, it should accept width and height of the text fields. Acceptance of the characters, numbers and symbol. Check for formatted text. Browse button text fields. These are not there in our page. Okay, scroll bar for text fields. Okay, text area fields. Selecting text inside the text fields using shift arrow. Check special characters. You check with the different possibilities like enter this kind of thing, that kind of thing, and verify that. Okay, so you can spend a lot of time, guys. You see, this will become very hectic kind of stuff. Okay, if I show you how to automate this entire thing using Selenium automation, right, it will take months altogether. Okay, I don't want to go with this approach, but if you still want to try, you can definitely try this with yourself, guys. Okay, I don't want to take this as, you see, this is a very simple thing, but time taking thing. Okay, only the problem I'm saying, we can automate all this stuff. We can automate all this stuff, guys. Only the thing is a time taking thing. Maybe we can have another session where I'll take only one functionality, in only one page or functionality I will take, and in that I'll try to automate this entire UI testing checklist. But I don't want to do this for every functionality here. Maybe in the upcoming sessions, we'll try to take some session. I will try to take some session. Okay, record the session where I'll take some page and verify different parts. How to automate the UI testing checklist. For that, I'll just take some simple separate session for that. Okay, so till then we'll not go with that. For this, that will not be real. It will not be realistic, so it's better that we'll take the screenshot. Now finally, after going through all the checklists, assuming that the entire page looks very fine. Okay, the entire page, whatever I need to verify is looking good. Okay, I just need to, the UI is perfectly fine. So how to automate this then? How to automate this? Very simple, guys. To automate this, it will not take much time. Create the new test case here. Simply say tc underscore rf underscore 0, 0 to 6. and with finish public void. Simple technique to verify the UI instead of going in depth with that UI checklist automation. That I'll do it later for you. Okay, that I'll show you later for you. For now, let's not go there. Okay, and deviate too much because our focus is on something and we are deviating there. So UI testing automation may be a separate entity for you. Okay, so something like that. We can create some reusable methods and get maybe once we get to that page. Level where the framework is created and we can create a lot of reusable methods and all. We'll see that later in the upcoming sessions. Okay, because every feature will have this particular test case. We'll not forget. Okay, at some point of time we'll modify that and verify. For now, till then, we'll only verify the UI part of the page, testing the UI part of the page by capturing the screenshot and comparing the screenshots. Okay, public void verify UI of register account page. I'll provide at the rate test annotation here, at the rate test annotation. I'll provide hover the mouse on at the rate test and import this at the rate test from test engine library. And then here write down web driver. Okay. Then here I'll write down web driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay. Like this, I'll write the sample code, control shift O, then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait, then duration dot off seconds. Just give 3 seconds here. Simply write driver dot get here, provide the application page URL, then give tutorialsinja.com/demo application URL. And after that, I need to navigate to the register account page. To navigate, I need to click on the My Account drop menu, inspect that My Account drop menu, and copy this particular text and create an XPath expression. Double forward slash span text is equal to my account. Once I 4 and all, you see it's getting located. Copy this particular XPath expression and simply write down driver.find element by dot XPath. Provide the XPath expression and simply say dot click. Once I say dot click, right, this my account drop menu will get clicked. I'll inspect the register option, copy the register option, which is the link text driver.find element, driver.find element by dot link text. Provide the link text locator of the register option and simply say dot click. Simply say dot click, and once I say dot click there, it will click on the register option. You will be taken to the register account page. Then I want to take a screenshot, assuming that everything is working, the grammatical spelling and UI part of the page, alignments, everything, coloring, everything is good. Once I confirm that manually, I'll take a screenshot of this for now. Okay, instead of going in depth UI testing automation of the UI testing checklist, I'm going to simply take a screenshot and compare the screenshot so that I can verify in very less amount of time. Okay, I don't have to spend months together to automate this entire UI testing of the page. But later, once our frameworks gets matured and all those stuff, right, then we may think of this possibility where we'll add this. Okay, we'll think of a possibility where we'll add more the things into this stuff. Fine then. Okay, the next one is, let's take the screenshot of this page. How to take the screenshot of this page? You already know. Once you go to this page, how to take the screenshot of this page? Simply, guys, so we have to say driver, take this driver, guys, and typecast the driver with takes screenshot. Okay, take screenshot, right? I think this is the one. TS or the mouse, create local variable, or the mouse on the take screenshot and import this from Selenium library. Okay, and then TS dot get screenshot as like this you write, and here output type dot file you can write, and this will return you, this particular method will return you the file format. Now file src screenshot, source screenshot, I'll just write like this, and here I'll say pour the mouse on this and import this file from java.io package, and here I'll say file handler from Selenium library, file handler dot copy. In the copy, I'll say src screenshot, and here this side I'll say new file of what is the location where I want to save this file. Under the screenshots folder, I want to do that. To get the path of the screenshots folder, here you have to write system dot get property user.dir, which is a path of the project. Dynamically, it will get the path of the project. Under the project, under the screenshots folder, it is there. So here I'll put plus here and say double forward slash, I think double forward. Yeah, double backward slash, double backward slash, guys. Okay. So if I right click here and say, you see, it's backward slash, single backward is there. Here we have to give double backward. Okay. It's double backward slash and say screenshots. Don't give any spelling mistakes. Screenshots and then double backward slash and give the name of the screenshot. Give some name of the screenshot, guys. Expected. Okay. First, you see, I'm not even taking the screenshot by using the UI part like this and taking screenshot. By using Selenium only, I'm taking the expected screenshot for the first go. Expected UI register. Okay. Expected register page UI dot png, I'll say. And here, hold the mouse and use try catch blocks, guys. In real time, it's better to use try catch blocks. Once you get the screenshot here, once you get the screenshot copied into this screenshots folder, this is a path of the screenshot, right? Copy this path. Okay, that's okay. You don't have to copy even. String expected screenshot path is equal to, give that. This expected screenshot path, guys. This expected screenshot path. Okay, or let's not give like this. Directly we'll do one thing. Okay. So here already in one of the previous sessions, as part of the automation in the previous test cases, maybe 10th test case, if I remember perfectly, there's something like common utils. Under that we already created a reusable methods for comparing two screenshots, for which I need to pass the actual image screenshot and expected image screenshot. So first I'll run the script, guys. Okay. First I'll run the script here. Simply say driver.quit. Run this code, right click, run as test and test and see. The screenshot will be taken and will be provided as part of the screenshots folder. Let's wait. Screenshot will be taken and the screenshot has been taken, that is got passed. And if you refresh this folder, guys, if you refresh this or refresh the project itself, under the screenshots folder, you will see expected register page UI.png is there. This is a path. Okay, the path is nothing but the same path, guys. Okay, the path is same. This is a path. Okay, this is a path of the screenshot. This expected screenshot is there. Now, next time onwards, I'll take the actual one, guys. Okay, instead of expected, I'll say actual register page UI.png. I'll say this time onwards, the actual only will come. Expected will not come. And here, I'll simply do one thing. So, assert dot, sorry, what is that? Compare. This is returning true or false, right? So, assert dot assert true, I'll say. Assert dot assert true, I'll say. After assert dot assert true, here I need to call this method common utils dot compare two screenshots. Already a reusable method already created as part of that. Here in the compare two screenshots, I need to pass surround with try catch block. Here also is asking me to surround try catch block. Actual image path is there here and expected is there here. I'll remove the try catch block later, but actual is there here and expected is there here. Actual, first actual and this is expected. What is expected one? Expected one is simple, guys. Expected screenshot is very simple. This part you take, till here you take and paste it here, and here instead of actual write expected. Okay, expected. This is expected one. Okay, this part of this expected we are giving here. Actual is where? Actual is, this is the actual one. Okay, copy this part and give the actual one here. Copy this and paste it here. Actual one also came. Actual, and if both match, the test will pass. Okay, if I remove this try catch block, what is happening? Let's say this time also if any issues is coming or not. Say this, I'll go to the 10th test case where I have used it already. Assert dot common utils compared to screenshots. Here, did I ignore the exception? Yes, I ignored the exception. I'll also ignore the exception here. Ignore the exception. Okay, done. This is what is the thing, guys. Okay, if both gets verified, right? If both gets verified and both the screenshots, expected one is matching with the actual one. Okay, every time you run the script, you're getting the same UI as expected screenshot thing. The test will pass. Okay, so you don't have to break our head by checking each and every checklist item. Here, simple, by comparing two screenshots, we are getting this done. You see that escort pass means everything is working fine. Okay, the screenshots comparison happened here. Okay, using this compare to screenshots method, you see all this code has already written Okay, if you go and check the previous test cases automation explanation, you will understand that here also a short library we have added to this library is behind comparing the screenshots, and based on that library only we created this method in one of the previous sessions. Okay, so go there and explore, guys, and once you explore that, you will easily understand how to compare two screenshots in I mean how to compare how to check the UI part of the page in Selenium automation. The test case may look big, but ultimately we made it very simple by with the help of the screenshot technology. We have made this, but if you still want to make it complex by checking each and every minute part of the UI by using that UI testing checklist, okay, if you want to verify each and everything that is there in the checklist, then that is a different story altogether, and that will take a lot of time, guys. Maybe I'll do it once the framework comes to the end. Okay. Here under the test cases, I'll provide that UI testing checklist if you really want to access this. Okay, I'll just provide that here, or I'll put a comment here. Okay, I'll put a comment here and provide the URL in this code itself. If you want to check that checklist, if you want to access the checklist, this one, just browse this in the browser and you'll get that checklist. Okay, so in the same test case itself, I'm adding as a comment for your reference purpose. So guys, that's all for this session, and the test case is working. Automation of the test case is working very fine, and we are getting the results also. So that's all for this session, guys. That's all for this session where we have automated the 26 test case. But let me upload the code so that you can access it. Okay, I'll go to the location where the code is available, copy that, and then we'll just go to the place and let's go here and come back here. Okay, here I'll paste it and upload the code. I'll upload the code. Don't worry what I am doing here, why I'm pasting and copy pasting doesn't matter for you. I just need to make this code accessible for you. For that, I'm uploading the code. Which test case I completed, guys? Register test case, register functionality rf underscore tc underscore 026. Automation completed. Automation completed. Okay. Then git push origin main. Okay. This will upload the code, guys. This will upload the code. Once the code is uploaded, I'll go to the, I'll just show you the steps how you can get all this code and all the stuff. So here in Google, you search for Arun Motori, my name, which is Arun Motori, and space GitHub. After you search for GitHub here, click on the link, guys, click on the link and go to the repositories. Once you go to the repositories, search for live here. Once you search for the live here, live automation Selenium Java projects is coming, right? Okay, this one you take, and in that, go to SRC. Once you go to the SRC, go to the test Java and register package. And in the 26 test cases, something I automated, guys. So here all the code that I have demonstrated in this session is available. Either you can copy this code or download the file, Java file itself, and practice in your machine. Okay. So hope, guys, how to get the code is clear for you. So with this, guys, I have completed successfully automated the 26th test case. Okay. I'll just mark it in green color so that it is to show that we have successfully automated it, okay, without any problems. And in the next session, I'm going to automate the another test case, that 27th test case. Till then, see you. Bye bye.